So we had absolutely zero time today to think about food. And after I got out of the shower this afternoon, I thought, what are we going to have for dinner? Because we probably should eat something before we do our live stream.
Yeah.
And Real Good Foods has sent us some of their new products. So they just came out with these raw, I don't know if this is going to focus, probably need to keep it back by my face. These raw, I'll have you hold these up. These are the 2 flavors. They sent us 3 flavors. These are the 2 flavors I grabbed. Your fingers over the top of it. So I threw these in, I threw one of each kind in the oven, and they were really, really good. So they're raw. If you saw they're raw, they're wrapped with bacon. And my assistant will post a link with the coupon code if you guys want to order these. We really liked these. Even we've had the stuffed, they have stuffed chicken breasts that are not raw.
So the stuffed ones that we've had before have like cheddar cheese and broccoli in the middle. And these are different because they're mostly just cheese, right? So pepper jack cheese.
Yeah, and this one's poblano pepper.
Yeah.
With creamy jack cheese. Oh, it's just so good.
Yeah. And the bacon really made a difference in the way it tasted because the other ones are, like you said, they're not raw. They're pre-cooked, but they're frozen, so you have to warm them up.
Yeah, so they still take, I think, 30 minutes, but there is a microwave option.
Yeah, there is a microwave option.
So if you're usually like, these took like 35 minutes to cook, so it did take some time, you know, to get them ready. And there's no microwave option on these. So if you're wanting like a microwave option, the non-raw ones are great, but I really liked the taste of these even better. So this company reached out to me several months ago, originally with their cauliflower crust pizza, and I'm a big skeptic when it comes to prepared foods because there's so much processing that happens, and a lot of times companies sneak in a lot of non-real food ingredients.
Well, like what?
Like tapioca flour or rice flour, things that we don't necessarily want to be eating on keto. And so they sent us some of their cauliflower crust pizza, which there's actually a review that we did for them out on YouTube. And we really liked that. And so we've just kind of been slowly trying some of their other products. And when we traveled last week, we were actually going through the grocery store looking for some of the products. And mostly they had their chicken crust pizza, which is good, but it literally is like pizza built on top of a chicken breast.
So kind of super high protein.
Good.
That pizza and like good whole food ingredients, just not, you know, kind of the macros that we're looking for in our keto diet, but still really good food.
Yeah, so what we learned here, I looked in Phoenix and I looked in San Diego, is even in places that have a lot of like really great grocery stores, there's not a lot of this stuff in grocery stores, so you do end up having to order some online. But you can save 15% with the coupon code taraketo if you wish to place an order online, and we'll pop that into the comments.